Recurring decimals and fractions. Okay, if they ask you to write a fraction as a recurring decimal, you just need to do a division sum, bus stop, so that's quite easy. I'm not going to talk about that today. But sometimes they will ask you to write a recurring decimal as a fraction, and that's a little bit harder. So first of all, we know that this means 0.343434, etc., because you have the dot above the 3 and the 4, so they are both recurring. Okay, now I write out this decimal as R, and I need to work out what I'm going to take it away from. So I've got 10R here, but that's no good, because if I take R from 10R, we're not going to cancel any of these numbers out, and that's what we want to do. So that's no good because it won't cancel out. If I look at this one will work, because here I've times it by 100, so I've done 100R, and now you can see that everything is lined up. So on this one I'm going to have to do 100R. Let's have a look then. Here it is. I've got R, which is my original decimal, and I've got 100R. Okay, and I'm going to take them away. So 4 from 4 is 0, 3 from 3 is 0, 4 from 4 is 0, etc., etc., etc. And that continues until I get to this point. 0 from 4 is 4, 0 from 3 is 3, and then I've got 100R. Take away R, which is 99R. Okay, nearly there now. So in that case, R equals, dividing both sides by 99, 34 over 99. Okay, there we are. The second example, well, it's the same sort of idea, but a slightly little bit harder. So, express 0.243 recurring, and it's only the 4 and the 3 that are recurring, okay? Only those ones are repeating, because that's where the dots are. Right, so once again, I have to decide what I'm going to times it by. So, looking at my post-it note then, here's R, the original decimal. If I times it by 10, I'll get 2.4343. And again, they won't line up, so they won't cancel, so that's no good, I don't want that. But if I times R by 100, I get 24.343434, and they will cancel out. So that's the one I want. Okay, so here it is then. Just like before, I'm going to take away. So these are all going to cancel out, 4 from 4, 3 from 3, etc., etc., until I get here. 2 from 3 is 1. 0 from 4 is 4. 0 from 4, because there's 0 there really. 0 from 2 is 2. And R from 100R is 99R. So I'm left with that. Now I'm going to divide by 99, just like before. So R equals 24.1 divided by 99. Now, the thing about fractions is you must only have whole numbers. So now I've got to do some adjustments to turn it into a whole number. So if I times that by 10, and I times that by 10, I'm going to get 241 over 990. There we go.